Nature and its wonder never seems to amaze us. It's truly wonderful how does a camel adapted to the harsh climate of deserts. You must have heard that camels can store water in their humps to survive the desert. But do camels actually have water in their humps? Is there any truth to this myth? Well, camels can definitely last for weeks in a desert without drinking any water and months without any food. Camels are animals that are adapted to the harsh and extreme climate of desert, so whenever they get water, they drink up. While human being can drink 1 liter of water at once, but camel can drink 100 liter to 150 liter of waters in one go. That means 400 glasses of water at once. Do you know what would happen if a human drink 20 liters of water in a day? So all the excess water will float around in our body. Then plasma would have too much water. In contrast, the blood cells would have very little. So by the process of osmosis, the water would go from plasma into the blood cell and could cause the cell to swell up and even burst. So how can a camel able to drink so much water? They hold excess water in their first stomach or lumen, then slowly lets out all the water into the blood in a couple of hours. This gives their blood some time to adjust the quick hydration. Once the water is in the blood, the red blood cells of the camel take up the water and expand almost up to the twice of their original size. This is possible because of the highly elastic nature of RBCs. This can expand up to 240% of their original volume, whereas the red blood cell of other animals can only expand up to 150%. Thanks to the elastic and almost unbreakable nature of RBCs present in camel, they can safely drink all this water. Camels are also good in water conservation techniques. They have efficient kidneys to limit water loss, less moisture loss while breathing, and even rarely sweat. That's the reason why they can go for so long periods of time without water, and not because they reserve water in their humps. So, water is not stored inside their humps at all? Then what there inside the camel's hump? Camels actually store fat in their humps and not water. Their ability to glide across the desert with a very little food and water has even earned a nickname, that is the ship of the desert. Whenever they get food, they store in form of fat inside their hump. Camel can store up to 36 kg of fat. When camels don't get enough food, their body breaks down the stored fat to release energy. So this fat storage lets them to go without food for weeks and to an entire month. So the reason behind what does the camel stores inside their hump is really very interesting, isn't it? Bye bye.